Crude achieved $89 and is just shying away from the resistance level at 89.2, the first target, and then 89.5, the next target, as we discussed in the Asia and Europe session update few hours back. At the same time, net gas 2 has achieved 2.9. My favorite net gas is staying above 2.9. I have told several times earlier also. I've been recommending buys on net gas since long now. It's 2.06 levels. Every dip we are buying here. And this time again, we have clearly mentioned that beyond 2.76, 2.8, we are looking at 2.9, and then 3.2 is also get achieved. So what to expect today with the US session from oil and gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is a great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver on time, every time to the best of my abilities. Also, press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. As join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the now look at oil on the RD charts. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and this is a broader bullish channel. 89.5 levels are the great resistance on the upside. Yes, beyond 89.2 we may target towards 89.5. But what is happening right now? See, 88.6, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. 88.6, 88.4 zone. Great support. If you see oil is staying below 88.6, 88.4 levels, rather I will say you can sell here at 88.6 itself. If this price stays below 88.6, you can sell. But then 88.4, 88.2 and 88, three major supports. And once it stays below 88, you can expect 87.6, which is going to be a great support on the downside. 87.6, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Remember what we have seen in the update today morning. See, this was the resistance, this was the squeeze, and then this breakout. Now this breakout is continuing here, so we might look forward to 89.5 as well. And in fact, $90 levels is the next milestone which crude is looking forward to. Moving averages, trading with divergence and bullishness. The stochastic near to overbought. MACD is flat, not indicative of anything. It is staying flat here. RSI is also overbought here on the early charts. But if you look at on the 2-hour charts, the prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 88. The crude oil inventory data today might show a little volatility. So yes, before the inventory data is there, you can expect that it is still going to continue with the bullish bias. In fact, it can happen at the other way around also, that before the data it may try to retrace, and after the data we can see a complete reversal. This is also possible. 88 and 87.5, 87.4, 87.6 zone are two greatest support for oil on the downside. Only below 87, 87.4 levels, we can say more bearish momentum may be seen. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD is still bullish. It is trying to trade in green. Not much of divergence. However, remember it is still scope for it to continue on the upside. RSI overbought. Coming to 3-hour chart. Look at 3-hour charts. Moving averages have given it a good support. It is continuing to stay on the upside, continuing to stay bullish. But look at the candles here. Yes, it has formed a base here at around 88.2. With that as support, we can see oil staying higher. And if you look at the lows there, you will find that, see, this is accelerated bullishness. So 89.2 first resistance, 89.5 can be the next one, which is going to be the next milestone. So once you see oil above 89 now, this price, selling price should be above 89. If this price is above 89, you can buy, but then 89.2 you should watch out for. Then 89.5 and then $90 levels is the next target. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 88.6 levels, but then 88.4, 88.2 is the major support for the day. Below 88.2 and 88 is where the next support levels, 87.6, will be seen. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is still in green, trading parallel here, trading suggestive of bullishness. RSI is near to overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour charts, if you look at 4-hour charts, see support here, higher highs. Now it can completely reverse, so you have to be cautious, careful here. And likewise on the upside, 89.2, beyond that certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail there. Remember, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average here on the 4-hour charts, which is sitting at around 87.4, 87.6 zone. The stochastic near to overbought. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade in green, trying to trade with little divergence. Look at the waves here. See, this is the waves in which it is trading. Hitting the bottom, it is now looking upwards. RSI is also overbought. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, yes, 85.6, 86, 86.5, and then 87.6. Very, very strong supports are created at every half and dollar here. And if you look at the formation, see, first of all, this is very, very important. Yes, this was the resistance, 4 to 5 candles reversing from the same level. This was the squeeze. Yesterday it has showed a breakout. Today it is trying to stay bullish again. Beyond 89 you can buy, but then 89.2 you should wait, and then 89.5 and $90 levels. Yes, it can achieve $90 levels as the first target. Beyond that, 92 is the next milestone. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still bullish, trading with divergence, looking upwards. RSI is overbought. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to sell here at 88.6. But then remember, this is just a retracement, minor retracement, not a complete bearish sell. However, you can take a position, but with a trailing stop loss of 20 cents. 88.4, 88.2. Now below 88 is where the bears will take over, and then 87.6 is the first target. Below 87.6 is where the bears will further, the bearish momentum will further increase, and then you can look forward to 87, 86.5 levels. And on the upside, as we discussed, beyond 90, more bullish momentum may prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed to gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at gas. See, gas today has taken the support from 2.88, 2.86 zone, and now trying to hit the double top levels. I will wait for 2.92 to be breached, and beyond that we can look forward to 2.95 and $3 levels. My target is towards $3 levels. What has happened on the early chart? See the breakout here, or you can say retracement towards the 20 period and again rising. So possibly we may see 2.95 and then in fact $3 levels today itself. Possibility exists. However, we have to be cautious. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. It is seen first wave, second wave, possibly third wave with the higher highs can be expected. RSI rising here as well. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, reversal sign after consolidating here at 2.8886 zone. We can see this breakout, and possibly it is looking forward to 2.9 to 95 levels. Yes, higher highs may get achieved here. We can look forward to this zone at least. In fact, $3 levels cannot be denied. Stochastic rising. MACD is willing to cross over for sell, but it is still in green, and it has still a lot much of room on the upside for it to continue with the bullish move. RSI overbought. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bullish. This can accelerate the bullishness such that the moving average looks upward. Also, if you look at the 3 hour chart, second greener candle, 2.92 at least and 2.95 at least I will be looking forward to beyond 2.92 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is still overbought, and it is room for it to continue with the overbought levels. Likewise on the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, see double bottom at 2.87. With that we can see a swing here. With that we can see a rise here. Increasing body size. I will wait for 2.92 to be breached, and the next candle is what I will look forward to. This candle may limit here, and beyond that we can look forward to 2.95 as the next resistance. Also, if you look at, but remember what has happened here, the prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 2.82 levels. Thus, probable sell entry below 2.8 is where more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought. Now remember two things to note here on for net gas, that 2.76, 2.8 is the greatest support for net gas on the downside. If you see it dropping towards those levels, and if you see gas consolidating there at 2.76, 2.8, then remember it's a buy again. Possibly we can see a reversal completely. Possibly we can see a rise again. But if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, one important point is the prices are outside Bollinger Bands. If it has to put pressure on the Bollinger Bands, it has to yield a greener candle, which might take towards 2.95 and 3.02 levels. Also, if you look at, see higher lows, rise retracement, and almost double top levels here. You can see these levels are definitely great resistance zone for net gas. This is a third attempt for net gas to break past this zone, and possibly this attempt can be a very stronger one where we may see $3 levels again. Now look at moving averages have crossed over trading with divergence, trading bullish. Support levels are far below at 2.76. Very strong support at 2.76 just now. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards here, and this can probably continue on the upside. RSI looking upwards. Considering you can sell at 88.6, but then 2.86 levels rather. You can sell at 82.86 levels, but then remember 2.82 very good support, 2.8 the next, and then 2.76. 2.76 is the greatest support for a gas on the downside. As long as 2.7675 is respected, we can expect a bounce back and a recovery, and a very strong recovery. On the upside, since it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, there could be little stronger pressure on the downside. So if it tries to achieve 2.95 or $3 levels, remember it can show you a pullback again on the downside. So you have to be careful. The more the rise, the more the chances of increasing chances of pullback here. So yes, beyond 2.92 you can buy, expect 2.95 and $3 levels in the today itself, and in fact beyond 2.95 and 3 is where little more bullish momentum may be seen here. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.86 levels. However, 84, 82 very good support as long as 82 and 8 are respected, and then 2.76 is expected. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update for crude oil and net gas. Do not miss to watch that video, and hence press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again.